Why am I telling the people it's the bus thing rough from Port Antonio to Buff Bay. Rough from Port Antonio. Come on, go to turn over. No, stop. Loaded, man. YouTubers, some of the channel like a beaut. People in Siwago, people who live overseas at Siwago and things as it. Yeah man, original cane general. Yeah. So you say I hear plants, I hear cane. Are you producer? Okay. Right here in Port Antonio?
No.
Okay.
They come from out of Portland.
It them come from out of Portland?
Yeah, they come from Portland.
Okay, nice. Yeah man, so big up yourself in the cane.
Come today, man, all the best, you know?
Alright. So over there, so now we taxi them there. We have to go down the town and see down the BM if you say. Yeah, right over here, so you get a taxi. Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know, so your boy Dex Media. And today people, I'm on my way to the hairdresser in Port Antonio and the barber shop. So I'm gonna do a couple of earrings. So I'm gonna just stick around to the video here and hopefully you will enjoy it. So I'm just show you what I'm going. Any unexpected thing happen, I'm not afraid to put it up. I'm gonna just take any little thing. Today is a regular vlog day. So I'm gonna stick around to the video here, see me. And hopefully you enjoy it. Just like how you catch it. Dog them back me up right in the night. What is this? YouTube channel. So we are Port Antonio now. So we at Lime, Jamaica. Over there, so you have the Portland Jerk restaurant. Right over there. So. I know what it is. Yeah guys, so I'm about to buy an eSIM. Alright people, some of that try to get the eSIM a while ago. But in a work, people. So then say I'm going to keep the receipt. I may have to come back on next time, guys. Alright people, so I'm going to try to see if I can go the hairdresser to get a style, but she kind of full up. So I'm going to walk now and see if I can find somewhere else. I know some of the Port Antonio same way. So I'm going to walk the town and see if I can find a next hairdresser. And I mean, I'm going to show you what I'm going during the period of while I walk. So I'm at William Street. So I walk and go down. If not, and the hairdresser full up, I'm going to just eat something. Because right now I'm all hungry. So, forward people. Alright people, so we're about to there the exit there now from William Street. You see it people? Yeah. So around the section area of the square, here around the little section here of the square, see the people? The sign here shows you William Street today, see it? Over there say have the market as usual. So over there, so now we taxi them there. We have to go down the town, you see, down the BM if you say. Yeah, right over here, so you get a taxi. Right over here, so now you have taxi man, they nearly crushed me. Taxi man. Alright, so I normally go up there so to go to me ear. So I go check out up there and see if they full up. If they full up, I not wait still. I just make the ear stay till next time. Or got juicy beef in the meanwhile. But I just check now still, see it. Yeah. Then sell shoes and some whole heap of things up that side there. Right side of the hairdresser part. See there, people? Bulo shoe store. Bulo. What going? Yeah, people, so my final hairdresser, you see it? Me here mad enough, people. Yeah, man. Long time I don't do it. But finally, I got to deal with it now. You see it, people? Hopefully you enjoy the video still. If you know I'm going to do more video like this, you can let me know. Just a regular vlog, you see it? Yeah, like my day vlog, daily vlog, and name like a thing there. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, people, so I just get through with me hairstyle and everything. And that's what I go on. Yeah, man, well fresh, you know, just go and go barber, you know. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to show you now what I go on in a Budo shoe stop, you see it? So I go on, I have a whole heap of nice shoes, people, you see it? Whole heap of nice shoes and slippers. Yeah, man, I want to best stop this until you want to get your shoes or whatsoever right here in a Portland town, people, you see it? Kids them play the game, you see it? I want to play that, you know? I'm going to play with money. So we not make fashion. Shoes that look good, you know? Good. Your force that look good, huh? 1 minute, alright. It's bad to the Puma, you're wicked. Yeah, man, the Puma, you're shot. No, my favorite already. Reebok. Reebok Classic. Them all have clocks, people, you see it? Dizzy. Wow. Alright, people, so I just go to the barber shop now, yeah? Even though I'm hungry, I just go to the barber shop go eat something. Yo! Alright, so I was just going people night I come in Portland town, you know. It's about 5:30 now in Portland town, you see it? So the Coronation Bakery. Alright, so people, so we're there at the KFC Plaza now, to see what I'm going. Barber shop, the upstairs up there, so if you never watched the other video with the poster over here, you can watch it back again. Alright, so last time I got the Scotia ATM, I never actually use it. So this time I'm going to test it out and see how good it is. Alright, I know I'm running out of phones. And if I'm not on the phones, I can't go to barber, I can't eat nothing, you see it? So I'm going to check it out now and see what I'm going to feed. Oh, in here spacious though, people. Yeah, man, I love it in here. Very nice. Wow. Alright. So in here nice and convenient, people, I'm not telling a lie. Alright people, so right now I go upstairs to see if the barber shop full up. You see it? Yeah man, night I come. First I do one vlog of Port Antonio and night I come down. But KFC not full. Probably I just stop by KFC, but I don't like the long line. But I feel for the patty. But here we go on and now. Patty shop lock, people. Yeah man, the patty shop then lock, so I'm not gonna get no patty. Alright, I know I can do still, I can eat jerk chicken though. Yeah man, the jerk, but same way. Alright people, so right now the barber thing look rough. Because I'm going there and I don't go to barber. Right now, I tell you the truth, I really feel hungry. I'm going to gas out to take me up. So right now, it can make it better to just make a barber thing stay till next time. Honestly. Or check somewhere else. Now walk and see if I can get something to eat still, people. So, when you continue watching videos anyway, I test you to see if you like video like this, that's it. Alright? So we're going people, the people have to take the entire garden yard now, you see it? Because of peak hours now, you see it? Yeah man, people are left from work in the garden yard now, you see it?
Take a bit heavy.
So my virgin will sell the jerk like in Ghana yard. Because normally the writer sell the jerk. So I'm Kian man over the sardine thing people. That is Kian. How much? What you sell it?
2 bills, but me as well.
Alright. I'm gonna see your friend with you. Eddie Kian thing a break.
First time to my car.
Yeah. Because sometimes you don't have much.
That you know exactly.
Yeah man, big up yourself. I want YouTuber somebody to give your channel a little boost, is it?
Come again.
I say I want YouTuber somebody to give your channel a little boost.
Yeah, man.
People in see what go on. People who live overseas and see what go on and things, is it? Yeah man, original cane general. Yeah. So you say I hear plant, I hear cane.
Yeah, produce.
Are you producer? Okay. Right here in Port Antonio?
No.
Okay.
They come from out of Portland.
Them come from out of Portland?
Yeah, they come from Portland.
Okay, nice. Yeah man, so big up yourself in the cane.
Come today, man, all the best, you know?
Alright. Yeah people, some of us show now going for the cane. Time I get dark and now I can night I come here. That's why the screen looks so. Not gonna lie, it was sweet. Alright people, somebody at the bus station you know, at Port Anton. Everybody at try garden yard. So I'm going over this so people can't get no vehicle for garden yard, you see it? See that? Mostly school and then still. Alright, so I'm gonna check the party place over here so and see if I can get a party. Party would have done well. Hello, you have any party left? Oh, nice. Things they wanna lock already, you know? Things they wanna lock. Yeah, people, so this is the Patty Express, is it? Yeah, man, somebody just buy a patty and a soda. And you know, so that's for $4.50. So right now, I'm give thanks, is it? Yeah? You have ginger beer? Pepsi? Yeah, give me Pepsi. Yeah, people, so this is Patty Express, is it? Yeah, man, Patty Express. Alright, so I'm show now I'm going for the party. Yeah, people eat good though. That might eat really good. Yeah, people, so as me I say, it is really good. That's it, the taste, man. That's it. Patty Express. Man, could I eat too? Cut that bus over there, people. It's like it's a school bus. Here from Apple Grove. Oh wow, I never know that they have a school bus. Wow. What a bus to go on there?
You got east.
Wow, wow. Oh, you got that side there? Okay. Yeah. Because the bus system rough. The taxi system rough. So that's why they come up with the idea here. Okay. Rami, yeah, come on, go to turn over. No, stop. Loaded, man. Yeah, man, it well loaded. Yeah, it look nice. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah, people, at this moment, I'm looking at a bus to go home. But it's so hard to get a bus at this hour. It's a good thing so I never go to a barber shop. I get well up at the line place. So that's why I go through this right now, is it? Yeah. Why am I telling the people is the bus thing rough from Port Antonio to Buff Bay. The rough from Port Antonio to St. Thomas town. I don't know what going on. Government and the authority need to do something about this. Yeah, man, because the kids them will go to school and something, yes, them in a problem because they can't go to the yard. And like them people are come for them or whatever. So this is rough. The government must can put a vehicle on the road or something. I don't really like what going on.